Hello everyone, welcome to my very first YouTube video. This is Slats Cracks Locks. I recently picked up some lock picks, and I'm very interested in learning the art of lock picking, and I thought it'd be cool to create a channel and learn to pick locks, show you guys kind of what I'm getting into. So this here is a Fortress lock. This is a generic master lock. It's about $1 or so cheaper than if you were to buy a master lock. And it is pretty easy to get into. I've already gotten into this lock a few times. So I'll crack it open in front of you guys, and you can let me know what you think here. Alright, so I'm going to put in my tension tool right in the bottom of the keyway here. Okay, try and give you a best shot. Alright, let's see what we can do. Now keep in mind that this is the only lock I've ever opened. All I did was watch some YouTube videos and kind of learn what it was all about. And this is my first time really getting into it here. I'm going to try again. Something's going on in there. I'm gonna start over one more time here and see if I can get this open. I might have been pushing too hard on the tension. Oh. It's giving me a little more trouble. There we go. And she's open. Alright, so that was fairly simple. I mean, it took me a little bit to get into the lock, but like I said, I don't really know what I'm doing. And the fact that I could do this lock so quickly, so soon, is pretty scary. But anyways, I'm gonna go buy another lock and see if I can open it up. I think I'm gonna go with the master lock this time. Should be a little bit more difficult to get open, and we'll see how that goes. Alright, thanks guys for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye.